Assalamu alaikum students. I am Humaira Tahir, your English teacher. Today we are having our grammar lesson on parts of speech. Okay, students, as you already know that a sentence is a combination of words, and these words in a sentence are divided into 8 parts of speech according to the function they do. Words are classified into parts of speech depending on the job they do. These 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. In today's video, we shall discuss about first 4 parts of speech. These are noun, pronoun, verb, and adjective. Now come to the first one, that is noun. Noun is a name of person, place, or thing. In other words, we can say that noun is a naming verb. This name can be of a place or person or a thing. Look at the examples. Apple is good for health. Now, apple is a thing here, so it is a noun. Civic is a beautiful car. Civic is the name of a car, so it is a noun. Tom gave me a basketball. Tom is the name of person, so it is a noun. Raza went to Murray on vacation. Now here there are 3 nouns: Raza, Murray, and vacation. Understand? Now come to the next one. Second part of speech is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun to avoid a repetition of names, because it looks very unnatural when we repeat names in a subsequent lines or in a subsequent text. Now look at the examples here. They are my friends. She is a very beautiful lady. Mary left her books in the room. You have done an amazing job. Now the pronouns here are they, she, her, and you. There are different types of pronouns. Some are used as subject, some are used as object, and some are used as possessive pronouns. Like in the example, Mary left her books in the room. Now, her here is a possessive pronoun. They is subjective pronoun, and you, she, they, all these are subjective pronouns. Now, come to the next one, verb. A verb is word that shows mental or physical action. It also indicates the state of being or a situation. Verb is the most important part of speech, without which no sentence can exist. Examples here are John plays tennis every day. He is watching movie. They went to Lahore last night. David was absent yesterday. Now, understand verb. Come to next, adjective. It is a kind of word that describe a noun or a pronoun. It gives us information about any opinion, size, color, or a type. For example, we have an amazing big black car. Now you see that in a single sentence, more than one adjectives are used. Amazing big black car. 10 workers are busy in their job. Now here the number of workers are given, so it is adjective. He married a smart, beautiful girl. Smart, beautiful girl. These are the adjectives of the girl who he had married. Understand? Now it's enough for today. Next time, inshallah, in the next video, we will continue these parts of speech, and we will study about the remaining 4 parts of speech during the next lesson. Okay, now you have to prepare these first 4 parts of speech with their examples. and I'll prepare a worksheet for you, so you have to solve it in the coming lecture. Okay? Understand? Okay.